Hello, everyone. Come the month of July, and we have bravely, with resilience, crossed over half the year. The worst is over, and now there will only be a decline, albeit slowly but steadily. The understandings that we have learned or analyzed during this lockdown can be put in use. The deep desire to recognize our inner core and understanding others can be achieved by living with the cosmic rhythm, and using the planetary energies will definitely illuminate your life in a fulfilling manner. When you are listening to the monthly guidance, relating it with your natal chart will always be beneficial. The notes that I prepare for you are based on the placement of planets. The position of planets remain the same whether you are hearing your solar sign, lunar sign, or ascendant. You could also listen to all three signs if you wish, because you will always benefit. You will always learn something new about yourself. Because you must understand that the transit of planets and their placements, wherever their positions during the transit, remain the same for all three: the solar, the lunar, or the ascendant. Leo. Well, the month of July 2020 for you. Since the Saturn moves away from stressful aspects, your health dramatically improves this month. The short term planets are in harmonious alignment, and your ruler, the sun, moves into your own house on the 22nd. Your vitality and energy is back. There is no harm as such, even if you feel that you're still focused on health. Even pre existing conditions are more or less in abeyance. The Western social sector of your chart is very strong this month. You will feel independent and vibrant. This feeling is actually extended for another couple of years. It's as if you suddenly feel blossomed and free of encumbrances. Next month, too, will be a period of maximum independence with the short term planets in their most eastern horizon, positions. You are compassionate and always thinking about others, but now is the time to devote some time to your own personal needs. If you need to make changes in your life, this is the time to do it. The third lunar eclipse of the year on the 5th occurs in your sixth house. Thus, if you're contemplating job changes either within your present company or with another one, you could work on it. Do not be anxious if situations at workplace change. Eventually, they will be for the better. Many employment opportunities are foreseen. Just keep your eyes and be open minded. If you're in your own business, then you can experience employee turnover. Often it is because of the dramas in their lives and not because of you. If need be, changing your therapist's diet or medications will be a good idea. Often you will experience deep changes within your philosophical or psychological realms. Spiritual beliefs may change and take on a new meaning. Do your course corrections in your spiritual life, in your practice, and attitudes. As your awareness grows, old beliefs need to be replaced with the new ones. This eclipse impacts, although not directly, three other planets, which are Mercury, Jupiter, and Mars. So be prepared for minor financial changes, minor course corrections. Computers, software, and your high tech gadgetry can also behave erratic. For people connected with education, students, teachers, or employees are bound to experience changes on a magna level. There would be bumps on the road, but be like the river which flows on maneuvering its way forward. Stay blessed and cherish your life. In conclusion, for your lucky dates, honey and money dates, stressful dates, your career and finance, you will have to visit my website. And don't forget to make your natal charts or your transit charts if you want more personal advice. A lot more holds for you there. The admissions for learning the art of contemporary astrology have started. Be the early bird and grab your seat. The right to try is your prerogative. So don't hold yourself back. We all understand that wherever we focus or concentrate our energies on, wherever we spend our attention, that becomes our life. The world might seem in a gridlock, but your spirit never is. So don't hold yourself back. You have your free will in exercising your efforts. Live life in accordance of what you expect out of yourself, not what others expect out of you. Rest assured, your self confidence will build up in no time and you will be living the life the way you have envisaged. So waste no time and your life will be what you make out of it. Stay blessed ever.